Entering the world of NFTs definitely was something new and exciting. But it wasn't NFTs that drove us to make this one of Foreo's biggest endeavors. It was the opportunity to create a product that gives back 100%.
So what do you do like in your everyday life to help you get through the thousands of no's that we hear?
I just move on because they missed out on all of this. That's what I like to say a lot. And so
That's awesome.
I do that and I just let it go and I just don't think about it.
Getting into the whole thing, it was overwhelming choosing only a handful of organizations that we were going to support. After all, there are so many of them doing great things with little to no support. Surprisingly, it didn't take long before we connected with Hope Givers, Scleroderma Research Foundation, and Shenzonen. These organizations really spoke to us, promoting everything our brand stands for and lending an ear to those who needed it. By purchasing this NFT, you're providing immense support to those battling skin conditions and mental health issues. To girls and boys, men and women, who now more than anything need our attention. To those who are misheard, misunderstood, or simply alone. Let's be a community everyone would be proud to be a member of, and let's do our best to help. Click the link below to learn how you can help. Share this video to help spread the word, and thank you for your support.
Don't feel defeated for who you are. Just realize that you can make a difference in this world. And just don't listen to the people that are telling you differently.